Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to schedule a meeting into your Zoom application from your phone, you just simply have to open your Zoom. And after opening the Zoom application, if you have logged in to your ID, this page will appear. Now into here you will get so many options. You just simply have to select this schedule option in order to make a scheduled Zoom meeting. First of all, just simply name your Zoom meeting, and after that you can edit date and time and repentance order of this meeting from here. You can set it into this many options, and after that you can choose to enable or disable this option of enable continuous meeting chat, and after that you can also enable use personal meeting ID and so many other security options. And after selecting all the premises as you want, you just simply have to click into this done button. After that, click to save, and after doing all that, your scheduled Zoom meeting will be created. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.